Yo, what is going on, everybody? It's your boy Ayad, aka Habibi Fades. Today, man, we got a basic tutorial for you guys. My camera footage ain't perfect. I still didn't get a tripod, nothing like that. I really just wanted to upload, some raw footage of everyday cuts that I do at the barbershop. Now, what I'm gonna start doing here is wetting up the client's hair, taking off some bulk from the top, just to make it easier to run a guard through his hair. He's checking his phone. He got places to go, but he's stuck with me for the day. Alright guys, so back to the cut. I'm about to take off at least 2 fingers from the top of his hair. Just to take off the bulk, like I mentioned. Now here I'm going in with my number 8 guard. You guys want to make sure to go all around with the number 8 guard. Go front, back, left, right. Here I'm going in with my 1.5 white guard just to remove the bulk from the sides of the head. Now this makes it easier once you start fading in. Now once I set in that 1.5 white guard, I'm gonna have bulk in between. So I run my clipper over comb, number 1 guard, and really just start getting rid of that bulk that I have up there. So the main purpose of this channel is gonna be, just giving out advice to anybody looking into cutting hair, anybody practicing on their friends, anything like that. This is really gonna help you setting up a good, camera system and all that pretty soon, just to really give you guys a better vision of what I see. Now here I'm going in with my Babyliss trimmers, and I'm setting in my first guideline. Now when you do this, you want to make sure you're as consistent as possible in following the client's head shape. So we're going at it, guys. Number 1 thing you guys want to do when cutting hair is be as confident as possible. Really show the client that you know what you're doing, you know what I'm saying? Even if you don't know what you're doing, you want the client to feel that you've been doing this for years. Now this is going to build a good reputation for you, bring back people, and when you're confident, a client can tell that you're confident, you know what I'm saying? They'll like the haircut. Even if you see flaws in it, they'll see that, yo, this guy really put in his whole effort to get in this haircut right. So you guys just want to try to stay consistent, man. So here I'm going in with the lever open and just, setting in my second guideline, getting rid of some bulk just to make it easier to go in and fade with the lever closed. So here I'm going in, guys, with the lever closed, and you can see that fade is coming along together. I'm telling y'all, man, this channel is gonna be one of the top channels out. I already feel it, man. I'm confident in my work. You know what I'm saying? I work every day trying to get better at what I do. Now here I'm going in with my 1.5 guard, just getting rid of some extra bulk that we already didn't get rid of. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta try to make everything even. Now here I'm going in with my half guard, lever about halfway open, and this is just going to give you guys a very simple way of getting rid of that guideline that we already set up. Now as I'm doing this, I'm going from the clipper being halfway open to the clipper being closed. Now what this does is it gives you a number 1, and that number 1 is what we needed to get rid of that guideline. As you guys can see, that guideline is gone. I took off the guard, just going in with the lever about halfway closed. And now what this does is, just extra details, man. Extra details that you can do with a haircut is one of this. Putting back on the guard, just going at it, and just getting rid of, any lines that I see. So when I was starting off, like many of you guys that are on here now watching this, and which I still do, I watch YouTube videos all the time, looking at other people's haircuts, looking at the techniques they use, which I can use. One of the main things that confused me was the, clipper closed, clipper open. Basically, all it means is that when you have the clipper closed, you're really close to the skin. Your blades are almost touching. You're at a 0. And when the clipper is open, you're at a half. The blades are farther apart. That's the easiest way I can explain it. Now that's why you guys see me going in with the half guard about halfway and then slowly opening it to get that number 1 that I need to get rid of that line that we have. Now if you're halfway through this video with me, make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, like, add some things that you guys want to see, add some things that you guys feel like I'm doing wrong, add some things that you guys want me to add in these videos, things that you want me to talk about. Oh man, I'm ready for anything, man. We're really gonna get this channel popped. So here I'm going in with some extra touch-ups. I'm going in with my scissors over comb, and what this is doing is just deleting any extra bulk that I don't like seeing there. And man, this is what's gonna make your haircuts fire, is the amount of work that you put in after you're done. I didn't have to go in with those shears over comb, but I wanted to get a better result, and that's what's gonna help you guys into achieving the best fades. Now here I'm just going in with the razor, pulling the skin back. Got the razor at about an 80-degree angle, and I'm just really just going down, man, just making the bottom of the head bald. And what this is gonna do is give me a cleaner look when the fade is all done. Here I'm going in with my Babyliss Balders, and I'm just touching up that line that I made from the razor blade, and this is gonna automatically help me delete that line. Here I'm going in with some extra touch-up work, and starting off with the edge. I know this is not the best camera position for you guys, but I started off in the middle and I moved my way to the right side. Now here I turn around the client. You gotta remember that mirror is gonna help you through everything. The edge, the fade, the lines that you don't see, everything, man. That mirror is your number 1 best friend. So here I'm going in, touching up the edge a little bit. Now I'm just blow drying the hair, adding some pomade to it. These are small things that you could do after a haircut, just to increase your tip, increase your level of haircuts that you're giving. You know, a lot of people will just finish a haircut and tell them, okay, you're ready, you can get out the chair now. But some barbers would go that extra step, styling their hair, making sure it's dry, adding some good pomade, adding some good hairspray just to give it a better look. And that's about it, guys. We are done with this haircut. Stay tuned, guys. I'm going to be trying to upload weekly. I'm just waiting on my tripod so I can give you guys a better angle of everything, a clearer vision. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Subscribe, share, like, comment. Let me know what you guys want to see next.